A traveling masterpiece, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome redefines luxury, performance, and elegance. Its modern, aerodynamic, and streamlined design lines, likely taken from the most current Sprinter, instantly project the high-end image for which Mercedes-Benz is renowned. Its distinctive front fascia with its massive grille and multipurpose LED lighting gives it a commanding presence, while its large panoramic windows and streamlined body offer an unparalleled interior visual experience. A strong and effective 2.0-liter four-cylinder diesel engine, OM654, powers the RV. In a range of driving situations, its smooth 9G Tronic automatic transmission guarantees a swift and pleasant ride. A variety of power levels would most likely be offered, such as 170 PS, 125 kilowatts, with 400 Nm of torque or 190 PS, 140 kilowatts, for better performance. For more adaptability, all-wheel drive, AWD, or rear-wheel drive, RWD, are choices. From the minute you enter, the driver's cabin is visually appealing and well-designed. A large and fully integrated MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, display is anticipated to be part of the dashboard of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. Another option is to integrate two large digital screens into a single device, one of which would be used as the instrument cluster and the other as the entertainment and control center. The driver will have instant access to a range of vehicle and motorhome functions using voice or touch commands. The combination of high-end leather, metal, and wood will give this space an opulent atmosphere consistent with the Mercedes-Benz brand. The inside of this RV hits the perfect balance between functionality and style as soon as we step inside. The living area's clever adaptable architecture, which may incorporate an electric slide-out capability that may enlarge the size when paused, creates a big and comfortable space for relaxing or socializing. The utmost in comfort is offered by plush leather couches and chairs, and the room seems warm and inviting thanks to ambient lighting controlled by LEDs. Large windows with motorized coverings provide breathtaking views of the outside world while maintaining privacy. The bedroom should be a tranquil retreat. You would expect a queen or king-sized bed with luxurious linens and a top-notch mattress. You can maintain organization by having a spacious built-in closet with hanging space and drawers. Individual lighting, USB charging ports, and a hidden flat-screen TV will make every night seem like a five-star hotel stay. The restroom in this RV is a private sanctuary. Unlike conventional RVs, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome will include a spacious bathroom with upscale facilities. Included are a separate glass shower with strong water pressure, a modern porcelain toilet, and a gorgeous sink with premium granite. Features like LED-lit mirrors, clever storage cabinets, and efficient ventilation will make this area more livable and useful. The centerpiece of this luxurious RV is the kitchen, which was created to meet the needs of the gourmet. It features high-quality equipment such as a refrigerator, freezer, microwave, convection oven, induction cooktop, and sometimes a small dishwasher. Superior materials, like quartz worktops, are easy to maintain and have a sophisticated appearance. Anywhere you travel, you can prepare delicious meals thanks to ergonomically designed cabinets that offer plenty of room for storing tools and ingredients.